Stephen Anderson, I'm the markets leader for PwC here in the region. We've got a wide range of stuff going on at Leap, so we're demonstrating a lot of the transformative work we're doing across different sectors in Saudi Arabia. Big focus on our work with our alliance partners, so I'm here at Microsoft, obviously we work a lot with SAP, and we're just demonstrating what we do from strategy all the way through to execution, both in terms of front office transformation and also getting into some of the emerging tech we're working on, metaverse, AI, blockchain, cloud, the whole works. It's been fantastic to be here. The number of people physically here, it's such a refreshing change, I think, to what we've all been used to over the last 2 years, and a phenomenal show that the guys have put on. Bringing people from all around the world and being able to connect with clients, connect with partners. It's been a great event. It's a great way of bringing everything together. I guess it raises the bar in terms of what we can achieve here in the kingdom. I think it brings stakeholders together. It lets us sort of co-create. I'm super excited about all the startups that are here. They're going to play an important role in the ecosystem as we move towards the sort of Vision 2030. It's been a great experience. I guess highlight has been we just signed our MOU with the Ministry of HR and Social Development, so super excited to do some really interesting stuff with those guys from a data and emerging tech perspective, and then obviously hanging out with a range of clients and also getting to spend quality time with a number of our alliance partners, so it's been a great use of time.